In 2 minutes or less, you're gonna know how to get your KTM 890 suspension off the bike. Now, the first step is to get your swear jar out because it's a blast of a job with green Loctite in places that it shouldn't be. So next, you get your 10 millimeter or your T30, loosen up your axle pinch bolts. Then you've got a 32 millimeter socket on here. You can use your KTM wrench also. Next up, you've got four T40s on your calipers. They are green Loctited in, so have fun with that. Then I would run them with power tool because they're long bolts. Next up, you have four 10 millimeter pinch bolts on your triple clamps on your right side of the bike. You're going to take those out of there. You can use a 10 millimeter or a T30. Either one is going to work. Next up, you're going to cuss at your forks for a little bit. You're going to spit on it. Then you're hit with a two-handed twister grip, and eventually they should move out and do what you want them to do. There you go. Make sure you take your brake lines off of your guides. Next up, you've got two pinch bolts for your upper shock pivot bolt. You are going to take those out of there. Those are T40s, I believe. Next up, you've got a 13 millimeter pivot bolt that you got to get out of there. It is buried in there, and you need to punch it from the other side to actually take the bolt out of there. Next up, you've got another 13 millimeter down at the bottom, and you have got a pinch bolt on the other side. Make sure you loosen that up. Then a little bit of leverage. She should pop right out of there. Now you're going to twist it, bop it, spin it, whatever you need to do to finagle this shock out of here. I don't have a cat on the bike, so that makes it a little bit easier. If you have a cat on it, good luck to you, but you are done.